What is the Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is a free application that you can install on your local computer to connect to, transform, and visualize your data. It's the primary development tool used by business analysts and data professionals to create Power BI reports and datasets. Here are some key features and components of Power BI Desktop. Data connection. Connect to a wide variety of data sources, including databases, online services, files, and more. Data transformation and preparation. Use Power Query Editor to clean, transform, and prepare your data. This includes removing errors, changing data types, merging tables, and performing other data wrangling tasks. Data modeling. Define relationships between tables and create a data model. You can also create calculated columns, measures, and tables using DAX, data analysis expressions. Visualization. Create a wide range of visualizations, including charts, graphs, maps, and tables. Power BI Desktop offers a variety of built-in visuals and the ability to import custom visuals from the Power BI Marketplace. Reports. Design multi-page reports with interactive visuals and slicers. Reports can be customized to present data in a meaningful way, with filters and drill-down capabilities. Interactive dashboards. Combine multiple visuals on a single page to create interactive dashboards that provide a comprehensive view of your data. Advanced analytics. Perform advanced analytics using features like forecasting, clustering, and anomaly detection. Integrate with R and Python for more sophisticated data analysis. Q&A feature. Use the natural language Q&A feature to ask questions about your data and get instant answers in the form of visuals. Publishing and sharing. Once a report is ready, you can publish it to the Power BI service, where it can be shared with others in your organization. Reports can also be embedded in websites or applications. Scheduled data refresh. Set up data refresh schedules to ensure your reports and dashboards are always up to date with the latest data. Security. Implement row-level security to control access to data within your reports, ensuring that users only see data that they are authorized to view. Integration with other tools. Seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft tools like Excel, Azure, and SharePoint, as well as third-party applications. Power BI Desktop is an essential tool for data professionals looking to create compelling data stories and insights, making it easier to make data-driven decisions.